Kumno ban jubab haka interview kane kadei Tangka nuksa. How to answer interview. 20 daily use sentences. English to Khasi. May I come in, sir? Long ba ngan rong, sir? Yes, come in. Ha oi ale room. Please have a seat. Sneo pa shong. Thang du, sir. Kubel shibun, sir. Tell me about yourself. Yato yanga chapang jongpi. My name is Shisha and I live in Jowai and currently I'm pursuing BA first semester. Kakerteng jonga de ka Shisha but ngasyong nga sa ha Jowai but benta nga dang pule BA first semester. You have any experience? Pidan kajing tip lane kajing shampang hakano kakam. No, sir, this is my first time for me and I don't have any experience. Sir, kane kadei kasin banagong yanga but ngamdon kajing shampang lane kajing tip hakano kakam. Why do you want to work with our company? Balay pikwa bantre bat kakunhun jonga. Sir, it is a privilege for me to work in your company. Sir, kalong kakabuk sir yanga bantre bat ka kunhun jongpi. When I read about company, I found that my skills are matching your requirement. Haba nga pule chapang ka company kunhun jongpi nga lap ba kasap kaput bat jintibit jonga kaya day bat kajingkwa jongpi. Suppose if you are selected, what is main objective? Shimudur ladapi syajib kae kamat lane kajing tmu jongpi. Being punctual and sincere, I can finish the work given to me on time and try my very best. Banlang uba biang por bat uba shida nga lakban pendep ya gigam bala benset hanga ha kapor kababiang bat ngan le ya kaba bahatam. What are your salary requirements? Kajing siu kat no pikwa. Sir, I am a fresher. Salary is not first a priority for me. This is a big platform to start my career and I also want to improve my knowledge and skill and again experience. Sir, nga dang long thamai kajing siu kam day kaban kong yanga kane kadei karansan kabahe bangan sang ya kalentiyaj ha kaching im jonga bat nga kwa ban penba ya kaching nang bat kapuj knang ba ngan yo shushu kijing shampang. So in expect a considerable of salary according to my ability. Te nakmilinti ba pin berkan ya kaching siu katkum kaching la junga. Do you have any question to ask me? Pidan jingkeli ba pikeli yanga. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to know the job timing. What I will be the job location. Kublai shibon ba phi ai yinga kane kalat nga kwa bantep kapot trai bat hangno kajaka trai. Ne ka video the boy chow kot te kwa ban ong ye phi snop ha katchan yanga te what ban glad ban pe ye kanek video step by step khnang ba phin yo jing mun toy da phi yo jing mun toy snop ha share lem che ki par lak lane hayeng asam jong phi bat kum jo ro what glad ban like and share and subscribe ya kanek ka channel khnang ba phin yo ya ki video ki ba dang thamai banga post ta kumble jibon chaman next video